Welcome to Capture It All. Welcome to Mexico. This is where our journey begins. As the sun rises behind me here at the very top of Guanajuato in a place called Il Pipila, we get to watch the city wake up, and this is a perfect place to begin our journey. This is going to be an adventure of a lifetime. In this course, I'm going to show you what it takes to literally capture it all, to take this device that we have in our hands and to use it to its full potential. There's never been a course that's been designed like this before, and I am so excited to introduce it to you. So here's what this course really comes down to: the three pillars of what makes a good photograph. It is not understanding every nuance of your camera. It is not focusing on the details. We love to get caught up in the details. This course is going to go way beyond by pulling back and talking to you about what it takes to really create a beautiful photograph and then how to go beyond that. Now, the three pillars of photography is going to be covered over and over and over again. And here's what they are: the element of composition, the element of timing, and the element of light. The beauty of shooting with an iPhone is that the details are all handled for us, but what isn't handled for us and what never will be is the creative element, is the unique element, is the individual element that is you in your photograph. There's something that happens once you understand your tool thoroughly enough, let your intuition kick in, and step back, be present in the moment, and let your heart take over and let the experience occur naturally. And just let that experience unfold. That's what it takes to really create images. And that's what it takes to really create experiences. So we're gonna start and meet you where you are, which is the photograph itself. That's always the core foundation of all of this, and that is sacred. That's never going to change. But what a missed opportunity it would be if we simply stopped there. Think about this: any trip you take, any experience that you have, you don't remember it as a single slice of life. A photograph is just 1/1000th of a second. What we're gonna do is take you well beyond that. We're gonna show you how to capture those sacred moments, and then we're gonna show you every single step of the way what it takes to go beyond a still image and capture it all. I know what it feels like to stand in a location of such beauty and to be in such a place of awe and just wonder, what can I do with every tool that I have to share this experience with my friends and family? And then we're going to introduce the concept of timing, the element of motion. We're going to be talking about time lapses, moving images, hyperlapses, video, all these things that you may not be too familiar with yet, but that are going to take your photography and your ability to capture the entire experience to a level you never even knew was possible. We're going to work our way down the alleys. We're going to wander through the streets. We're going to meet the locals. We're going to truly experience the beauty and the magic that is Guanajuato. And then we're going to move on. We're going to head to San Miguel, which is another iconic location here in the heart of Mexico. When I walk through the streets of San Miguel, I feel like a little kid with a sense of wonder, never knowing what's going to happen next. From San Miguel, we're going to move on to a location called Pátzcuaro. This is a location that is wondrous and that is magical and that is truly unique and special and has a character all of its own. This is what I want to capture, and this is what I want to share with others. That sense of awe and wonder that is the beauty of not just Mexico, not of just these special locations that are here in the heart of Mexico, but of this world. When you have the ability to sense this beauty, when you have the ability to really capture this wonder that you feel, that is a magical gift that you can't just hold for yourself. That is a gift you give to others. That is the gift that we're giving to you. So if you're ready to see what it truly takes to capture it all, join me on this epic journey and buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride.